Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. You've been very kind,
Oy.
and we found a very good friend.
Oh, thank
from
you.
Filipino.
Yes.
Thanks so much.
Okay, and happy trip. And
Thank you,
I hope
thank
you will
you.
come back here again.
Yes, and if you can come to India,
Oh, thank you.
welcome to India.
I know your YouTube channel now, so you got.
We're going to follow you.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank
got
you.
2 more
What's your name, Mama? Artie?
Oh, he's doing another live.
This is Aarti and Meenakshi. Meenakshi.
Ah, you are Artie.
Yes,
Ah.
yes. I'm Meenakshi.
Minatio. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.
Oh, and I put-
Yeah.
Hang on
Okay.
1 second. I don't want to take the money out like that.
So guys, yung bisita dito, ano to sila guys eh. Ang tawag nito, from India sila. From India. From India. So sila. Ayan na. Oh, bye. Ayan na. So, oy!
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye, ma'am. Bye-bye. Welcome. Take care. Thank you, ma'am. So, yun, uwi na. Pero may balak sila na babalik sila dito. So, mga ano pala to. So, bye na. Hanggang hatid lang tayo sa airport. So, nandoon na sila.